Today, we're going to unbox the barbecue storage cabinet from OnlyFire. This package came with cardboard outers, instructions. And the first thing you'll find are the two sides. And take a look at those, inspect everything as it comes out, and also take note that several of the pieces are labeled on the inside to help you get oriented so you know which part goes where. There's 3 smaller shelves, there's 4 sides, plus 2 stainless steel tops. When you pull these 2 larger pieces out, you'll notice that the legs are attached to them. But notice the back is stainless steel on one of them. That one's going to end up being a door. So think of that as the front. This second piece, it's similar. It's not a door. It'll be the back. Don't forget to get the extra box of all the good parts and pieces. Let's unbox that next. Inspect each part. Make sure you have everything, that nothing's been damaged in the shipping or packing. Bag of screws, nuts and bolts, and well hidden down in the bottom is a condiment tray, about the same size as the box, so don't forget to pull that out.